Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to start email marketing for your business without any cost? In this video, I'll show you how to use the built-in email marketing tools in EngageBay's free plan. First, go to the Marketing module and click Email Marketing. To create a campaign, click Create Campaign. Choose a type like a regular broadcast or an automated welcome email. EngageBay provides free, professional templates. Pick one that fits your brand and customize it using the drag and drop editor. Change the text, images, colors, and layout to match your message. Next, select your recipients. You can send to a specific contact list you've created in your CRM. Write a compelling subject line and preview text. Then, schedule your campaign to send immediately or at a later time. The free plan allows you to send a generous number of emails per month to grow your audience. After sending, check the reports section. See how many people opened your email, clicked links, and unsubscribed. This data helps you improve your next campaign. And that's it. You can now create, send, and track professional email campaigns to engage your audience, all for free. If you send your first campaign, let me know what it's about in the comments. See you in the next one.